Yeah, so tell them what we're going to talk about today. What is the myth or like the thing that we're addressing today?
Okay, so the myth is liposuction treats and removes loose skin. Hi guys, welcome to Lipstick and Lipo. I'm Dr. Smita, board certified plastic surgeon in New Jersey, and I've got my friend all the way up from Rochester, Dr. Amalfi, here with me as my co-host.
Hi, girl.
Got a great topic. Hello. We've got an awesome topic today. We're continuing our series on liposuction. So another big question that comes up literally all the time, right? I mean, every single time.
Yeah, I mean, there's so many myths around liposuction, which is why this is such a cool topic and such a cool series, because there's so much stuff out there that is not true about liposuction. And we're so glad that you're here listening to us, listening to what board certified plastic surgeons can tell you. And then you know the facts, right? So that you have good expectations when you're coming in and saying, oh my gosh, all I want for my New Year's resolution is some liposuction.
Right, exactly.
So tell them what we're going to talk about today. What is the myth or like the thing that we're addressing today?
Okay, so the myth is liposuction treats and removes loose skin. Not true. Not true, guys.
Not even close.
You know,
I mean,
not even close.
It's almost like it could actually be the opposite. Like it actually deflates.
It will worsen.
It can actually make it worse.
I know. It's sad. It's another one of those sad things. Like cellulite. But yeah, so I mean, essentially what liposuction does, right? It removes the extra fat, so it deflates. So if you already have loose skin, like that overhanging skin, or like loose wrinkles and all of that. Yeah. The more you deflate that, the more that's going to sag, because now it's not full.
It's empty.
So it will make it worse, right? And there's only so much that liposuction can shrink. It doesn't really shrink extra skin. It may sort of improve, like if you just have that sort of crepey kind of in between skin, but certainly not if there's extra. So
it's going to make it worse. I tell people it's like having a balloon blown up for years, and then when that balloon deflates, you're going to have all that baggy looking balloon. It's not going to look like that tight little balloon, and so it might be thin and squishy and empty, but it's certainly not smooth and tight.
Yeah. So exactly. So, I mean, I think if you are, and that's what we're here for, right? If you come in to see one of us or see a board certified plastic surgeon in your town, that's what we help you with, right? That's not a decision that you have to make. You come in, you show us what bothers you, we examine you, and then we'll be able to know whether, okay, you have great skin, it's just extra fat. Well, liposuction is going to be awesome for you. You're going to have great results. If you have that loose overhanging skin, or you've had like multiple pregnancies and you have like stretched skin with stretch marks, and liposuction is going to sort of make that worse. And so then we'll sort of talk about what that looks like for you, but then also what our recommended treatment, which would be more of an excisional procedure like a tummy tuck. So
that's kind of the reality for a lot of our moms, right? Like every mom is like, oh, I could just pinch this, so maybe I could just have some liposuction, because lipo's great. It's like low down times, quick turnaround. And so of course that's what everyone wants, because it's sort of the simplest. And we wish we could do the simplest thing for everyone, but if you have that loose skin, it's probably actually going to make things worse and not better. And we're not telling you that because we want you to do something more involved. We're just telling you that because we want you to have the best results.
We want you to have the best results, right? And I think, there's definitely that misconception, right? I mean, I see this a lot with the neck too. So I feel like the tummy is a big area where people are just like, oh, you can pinch it, you don't like it, you want to get liposuction, but then there's loose skin. But I'm seeing it a lot with people who are concerned about their neck appearance, right? As you're getting older, you're starting to notice that things are sort of hanging, and you're like, oh, I just need liposuction to just tighten everything up. Well, that's not what it's going to do. That's what we're talking about, neck lift and other things. So liposuction addresses the fat, doesn't address loose skin.
You got it. It's just a fat operation, but there's lots of great things. We'll get to it, but you guys know the facts. So make sure that you subscribe, tune in. We are on YouTube and Spotify. We have lots of great episodes and still more in this series, so stay tuned.